In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Autogpt without any coding skills. Imagine being able to leverage the power of an AI that can perform tasks automatically, all without having to write a single line of code. Sounds exciting, right? Well, let's make that happen step by step. First off, you want to fire up your web browser. Yes, that same browser you use for YouTube, cat videos, and last-minute shopping sprees. Open it up and type in the search bar the following URL: agentgpt reworkd.ai. This is where the magic begins, and you won't need anything special beyond a reliable internet connection. Now, once you're on the agentgpt.reworkd.ai site, look for an option that says Cognosis AAI. Give that a click. This is your gateway to the platform where you can access AutoGPT without having to deal with any complex technical requirements. On the website, there should be an inviting button that says Launch App or Get Started. Go ahead and click it. Don't worry, you're on the right track. This is like stepping into a new world where AI can perform tasks for you, with just a bit of initial guidance. For the next step, you'll need to sign in. The website will give you the option to sign in with an existing Google account, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can create a brand new free account. Either choice will work just fine, so do whatever feels easiest for you in this moment. Once signed in, you'll encounter a screen asking you to name your project. Here, you'll see a box labeled Agent Name. Think of a creative yet descriptive name for your bot. It could be anything from Super Task Bot to AI Assistant. This is your bot, so the choice is entirely yours. Next, there's a goal box waiting for your input. This is where you define what you want the AutoGPT to achieve. Be clear and concise, whether it's doing research, managing emails, or something entirely different. This step informs the AI what's expected from it. Now you're ready for the action. You'll notice an option to deploy agent or start. Clicking this initiates the AutoGPT, setting it in motion for the task you've defined. It's at this point the AI begins to create and execute tasks on its own. And the best part is, there's no coding or installation required. Finally, you'll have the pleasure of monitoring your AI's progress live. This feature allows you to watch the AI do its thing in real time, and gives you the option to stop, edit, or restart tasks whenever you wish. So whether you're a tech wizard or a complete novice, you have total control. And there you have it. You're now equipped to harness AutoGPT without written code. Enjoy your exploration in the vast universe of AI, and make sure to